Namaste, my name is Santosh, co-founder of Happy Earth Foundation. Today I am going to explain the right method to plant a tree. It is so important to know how exactly to plant a tree. The first thing is choosing a place. The place has to be such that there should not be in any tree shade. Should be at least 15 feet of distance from any of the nearest tree or a nearest building. The first thing is choosing the place. The second thing is the pit. The pit has to be minimum 2 feet by 2 feet size and 2 feet deep. So this is the pit. You can see where it is 2 feet dia and more than 2.5 feet deep. So to making this pits, we have got a digger. It is customized. It is a 2 feet dia digger attached to a tractor. So use this digger to make these pits, and it takes hardly 1 to 2 minutes to make one pit, and we'll show you how it operates. So after having a pit, the next process is we should have a liner at the bottom of could be the coconut husk like this, or if you don't able to find a coconut husk like this, you can use dry leaves. So I am going to put one layer of coconut husk at the bottom. You can see here. So that the advantage of this is it will hold the water during the summer, and at the same time after 1 year it is going to be manure and it will give the additional nutrient which is required to the plant. So you can see the entire one layer of the pit has been covered with coconut husk. This is a very important process. The first step is to identify the place. The second step is to have a pit which is of 2 feet dia, 2 feet by 2 feet and 2 feet deep. The third step is to have a layer of coconut husk or dry leaves almost 3 inches, and the fourth step is to fill the half pit with soil and manure. So now I am going to fill the soil. One layer of soil, some 3 to 4 inches. Then I am going to put the manure. The first layer of manure. So first soil, then manure, then we are going to plant the sapling. Selecting a sapling also is very important. It should not be very small. It should be at least 3 to 4 feet height. And you can see a sapling here, it is more than 6 feet tall. So such sapling you need not have to care for many days. Maybe if you take care of 1 year, it will grow as a tree. So it's very, very important to select a tree sapling which is 4 to 5 feet tall. So now I'm going to place this. First we have removed the cover of the sapling, and then we are going to place it inside the pit. Then cover the remaining pit with soil and manure mixture. Before completely filling the soil, make sure that you have a supporting stick for the plant, because plant required a support for maybe 3 to 4 months, because the roots is not spread and it could not hold the soil So after 3 to 4 months, the roots will come out of that small area and it will hold the soil. So till that time, we need to have support the plant due to air and somebody may come and touch. So this is what I'm doing. So I have stick the stick and then I'm going to fill the remaining part of the soil. So make sure that entire area is filled with soil. It is filled. One of the most important process in the whole exercise is you have to press the soil by using a foot so that there is no wide air gap is left, otherwise the roots can die because of rotting. So you have to press it so hard so that even the tree will get the stability of getting attached to the soil. So what you are looking is a neem tree here. So this process is same for any plant you plant. So once you completely fill the soil and after pressing 3 feet, then next you have to tie the plant. You can see here the first knot has to be on the plant and should not be tied very tightly, should be left free. And then you have to tie to the supporting stick. You have to tie at 2 ends, not at only one end. So you can see how loose it is. And again the same process at the top. So the tree gets support top and bottom. So now the plant will feel secured. So it is not going to fall and the air will not disturb. Now we have come for the final stage of planting a tree. The final stage is mulching. So you have to cover the tree with the dry leaves. This is very, very important. The benefit of this is 3 benefits. One is it will avoid weed growing, unwanted plants growing. The second is it will hold the moisture during summer. The moment you put water, it will not allow it to dry fast. The third is during winter, it will give a warmness to the roots of the plant. So this is the whole process of planting a tree. So I will just summarize. First is important is to choose a place where there is no shade, at least 15 feet distance between a plant to plant. The second part is you should have a pit which is at least 2 feet minimum dimension, 2 feet deep and 2 feet by 2 feet. And the third part is you have to have a first layer of coconut husk or a leaf of up to 3 inches at the bottom of the pit, and cover the pit half mixture of soil and manure, half pit. Then you uncover the sapling and put it in the pit, and the remaining fill the soil, the remaining part, then you press it from your foot so that there is no air gap in between the sapling. And then you have to have a supporting stick to make the plant stable for the wind, things like that, and tie it on the both the bottom and top. And finally you have to put dry leaves as a mulching to avoid weeds growing and hold the moisture. I also wish to emphasize the materials required before planting a tree. First is the sapling, which has to be more than 4 to 5 feet tall. Here you can see almost 6 feet tall. Then coconut husk or a dry leaves at the bottom. Then a supporting stick. Then the rope to tie the sapling to the supporting stick. A spade. Dry leaves for mulching, and a manure. Almost 1 sack of manure is required. And our duty will never end here. This is just a kid, like a kid, we have to take care for next 2 years. As Happy World Foundation, our protocol, we at least do from 15 to 20 inspection. In 2 years time, make sure that it has been watered properly. So these are just like kits, and these kits have been presented to Mother Earth, and then they will start giving us the required oxygen, shade, fruits, and even the animals are going to live on this. So that's it. Thank you so much.